Gwen and welcome back to Gwen's Lifestyle. So currently, right now, I'm in a different background as you can see because it's at night and I don't have good lighting in my room. Anyway, another unboxing. I don't know whether you guys can hear me now because I am pretty tired and I don't know what I'm saying. Food unboxing. That's amazing. Let's start. Full of newspaper, obviously because I need to protect the shipper need to protect the food from my skin. First thing, komisu. This is my most favorite biscuit and I bought 5 boxes of this. I bought 5 boxes of this because only one box only have 2 packets and I love this so much. Let's see. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯 개. Yeah. I think I'm like international.
International playboy.
I like international food. So this is Korean. Maybe I'll just unbox all the Korean food first. Because there's a lot of different countries. And then next I got tteokbokki. I've been craving this for a while now, and I think the tteokbokki that's I have a packet of tteokbokki in my fridge right now, and I don't think that's eatable right now, so I got another one. Yeah,
Nice.
And then I got two of these. I didn't know that I have 2 of these. I got 2 of these. And then I bought rapokki. Means inside that's ramyeon. That's called rapokki. Amazing. I love that for me. And then I bought spam. Definitely cannot live without spam. 2 cans. Yeah, cans. 2 cans of spam. My eyes are so tired right now. It's so random. This is such a random unboxing video. But this is like another cup noodles. Japanese, not cup noodles. Japanese instant udon. Yeah. This is also very extra, so I saw it in the shop and then I thought I want to try Tapai. This is a Chinese brand. Got it lemon black tea. Yeah, that's the translation of this Tapai. It's very famous in Chinese dramas and I wanted to try. And last but not least, very random. International color. It's nice.
Nice.
Then I'm gonna try the chocolate though. I love it so much. Nice.
Nice.
I have the cookie biscuit, whatever you call it. Breadsticks. This is called breadsticks. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. Hazelnut spread with cocoa and malted breadsticks. 잘 먹겠습니다. Oh, look at this. There's a little eating ASMR for you all as well. Yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. It's a very short video, I would say. And if you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Yes, I'll see you guys in the next vlog or video. I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but I'll film whatever I can. Bye!